G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a little 3D flower. I've got this new resin, the Platinum Super Clear. It's a little bit thicker than the Platinum Ultra Clear that I was using, and I think I just have to not like wait quite as long. But I'm just trialing it out. It was starting to get hot, so I've decanted. I'm just using these two. These two have been sitting, doing something else. Don't look at them. Now, what I thought I might do is use these little pre-made gold leafy things that I had. So I'm just going to pop them in, flat side down. This was getting really hot. It was... I think I might have lost it. It was in a little paper cup, and it was getting really hot, so I decanted it. But I think I might have waited too long. You get down there. You get down there. Anyway, I'm just going to try it. It's 20 grams of resin. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 3 drops of the Cast and Craft. I'm going to do 3 drops of the ink, but it looks as if it's getting really thick. The resin that's in the coasters isn't getting really thick, it's just this one, because it got hot so much quicker than that did. So I think it's ruined. But let's just try anyway. I'll just have to be quick. Oh, see, this is thick and that's thin, so this is probably just going to fall straight through. It's getting really gluggy. It's not that it's hot, it's just gluggy. I forgot to decant it into a shallower container. I left it in its cup. And it's not even like it's a really hot day today. I've got the air conditioning on, so I don't really like my chances, but I made it up. That's all I've got. I've probably only got enough for one, because the rest of it's still in there. I'm hurrying. Oh well. Oh well. 'Tis what it is. Let's see if I can get some petals drawn. Hey? Even if I only get one done, it's better than nothing. Whoops, and over the top. Wasn't watching. So I'm only going to have enough for one. I was actually planning on doing something different in here. I was going to use my alcohol inks and do a pink background, but I just forgot about it, and I poured in here with the clear, and then I thought, oh no, I wasn't supposed to do that. Too late. Too late. All right, let's hit really quickly. I think I've left it way too long, but we'll see if it'll work. At what consistency it'll still work. Interesting to know, I guess. It's just if the resin's too thick, it won't spread, like it won't bloom. If it's too thick. Alright, that'll do. Don't heat it too much because the bottom resin is thinner than the top resin. Now I want to see if I can just release that from there so it's not touching the side. Not really, just making it worse. Okay, let's just pull that through a little bit, just to try and avoid any blobbies where I've joined it up. It's missing a little bit there. It actually looks as if it's blooming. I'm really surprised. I didn't think it was going to do anything. I honestly thought it was way too thick to do anything. I don't think I can get any more out of that. It's, look at it, it just sits there. Like it's really, really thick. So I didn't think that was going to work. Go figure. It's a shame I've wasted that there now. Oh, I don't have any resin left to use. Oh, what am I going to do? But look, I'm glad to see that, you know, that this is working, even though it was so thick. I do want to get that, oh, see, I can't, it's touching the side. I can't get rid of it. Move. Get away from the side. I guess it'll come away when and if it can. I don't know if it can. Probably just making it worse. That's me, fiddler, make it worse. Just want to do this. Seeing as I've ruined that petal, let's do this. I do like this effect, so it's not going to ruin my little flower because I do like that. So you just have to go right up and over your mold. You can clean it up later. Right, that was nerve-wracking. Oh my gosh, wish I had more for there. Wow, I didn't think it would work. I need to do that more often. Let my white get thicker. No. All right, let me clean this up a little bit. Well, I've only got one out of the two, but that was interesting. I didn't think that that would work. I really didn't. I'll be back in about half an hour to see what it's done. It seems to be blooming nicely. And because my mix was a little bit thicker, it hasn't all closed up. You know how sometimes mine all close up? But I really like it when I've still got some gaps like that, especially if you want to put a background on. I think it's really nice to be able to see some space in the back there. So I don't know if I've got room for anything else, so I filled it up a lot. But I'll just paint the edges with some gold, and that I think will just look really elegant and delicate. So unless I find that there's a little bit of room for a back cover, I don't think so. So I'll just have to leave it like that, and I'll see you tomorrow for the unmolding. See you then. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. Bright and early this morning. I have to go to work today, but I wanted to unmold this little guy. Oh, he's popping out already. They come out so easily. All right. So, yeah, got quite a bit of space underneath, like you can see through. And I was debating whether or not to put a colour underneath, and I decided, no, I won't. I'll just leave it as is for this one, because all of mine have had like colours on the backs of them recently, and I thought, oh, it might be nice just to leave it. A little bit of a sharp edge there. You can go around with your emery board or nail file if you want to, and just give it a light sanding. Just go around real quick. That's all it takes, just to get that little lip off, because I didn't fill this all the way to the top, so it's got a little lip there. It can be a bit sharp, so just use your little nail file. I'm just going to blow that away. Shouldn't have done it on my little piece of velvet here. Do you like my little velvet? I bought these at Spotlight, all these different colours for my my photo shoots. Okay, so that feels much nicer now, even though it's the back. There's another little bit there just for some overflow. That's the back. Okay, so there we go. Shall we have a look at the front? Yes. Let me see if I can focus it a bit better for you. It doesn't want to focus. Probably doesn't know what to look at. All right, here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at it. I love the clear background. It's not focusing. Why aren't you focusing? Oops, I'm on the wrong thing. There we go. Need to be on the 2 flowers. It was on the 3 flowers. There we go. It's pretty clear. Not much in the way of bubbles. And then to do the edge, I'm going to use my Deco colour, which I love. It's my favourite. I find that I don't need to do like 2 coats on it. It usually works really well just with the 1 coat. This is a brand new pen. I've only just got it open and started using it. And I've got a little card here, a well-used little card that I use. And then, you know, you just press like that, get your colour coming down. Like I said, I've only just opened this one. I won't do the whole thing now, but that's all I do. So you get a really nice coverage, don't you? There's lots of different brands of these gold pens. This one's an oil-based one, and it's actually really quite difficult to get it off. Like if you make a mistake, you need to get the old acetone out, the nail polish remover, and clean it off. So I think it would be a really good hard wearing product to use for your coasters. It's not just going to wash off, unless you wash up in acetone, that is. Right, so that's the edge. Now I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I want to see what it looks like with the little rim around the outside. Okay, so half on, half off with my little pen, and just follow that all the way around. Give it a bit of a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Now it's up to you how thick you want to make this. I prefer just to use half my pen. As I said, half on, half off. Creates a little ridge there, and it's easy just to follow it round. And I don't like the edge too thick. I just like it sort of thin and delicate. Some areas might be a little bit thinner than others, and you might just want to go over them again. But there we go. Look at it. It's so pretty. Love it. Now I have got another little set that I've done to match this in my new coaster mold, so that'll be coming up soon. Or maybe you'll see it first and then this one after. I'm not sure yet. But there it is. I'll finish the edging, the gold edging, and I'll put it outside for you so you can see what it looks like in the sun. Just haven't got very good light in the studio this morning. It's early. Right, there we go. Hope you've enjoyed that little video, and I'll see you real soon for the next one. Okay, have a great day everyone. Bye for now.